Touch, taste, sight, smell, hearing. These are the senses that connect us to the world. But are there more than 5 senses?
Dreaming of things that 2 eyes can never see. Consciousness reaching levels that he never did. Imagine fathomable, but the story only brings an unimaginable trinity to a king who traded the adversities of sin so he could transcend to a glorious place. Eat of the beneficial fruit, so plentiful in taste, and rid superficial delusions of a human race. Visions of that world is what keeps the strong alive, but I'm immortal, so my soul's never afraid to die. A young pharaoh walking amongst these human lives, consciousness higher, reaching out, grabbing my desires. The elevator ain't creating with its third eye. Woke up out of dream covered in gold like a wristwatch. Now watch as I'm at the fleet, go still the top spot. I pop like a killer waiting on your doorstep. No straps, cause my heart equipped nigga for combat. No rats, find us on my clip, we reinforce that. Boss stats, New York on our back, we bout to change right. Face plant, any nigga in our way, so keep back. This soon debate the greatest spitting shit that niggas craving. 6 cents, meditated, all a nigga need to make it. So go, breathe smoke, further sour diesel. We flow like a fairy out of fucking fable. All ghosts, all a nigga missing is his halo. Same flow, don't you nigga think it's time to switch though? Pesos, keep you niggas grounded like some lame goats. You lame goats.
No hope.
6 cents, nigga, why you talking, you hopeless? And if you only use 5, you soulless. Me and my niggas on the scene from out your dreams, showing niggas life and you never would've seen.
Woke up in a cemetery full of Martians, body carved and cut up like I was Spartan. Apart from the rays, the band music played. Hey, rained on the farm for 4 days. Caged in like a human-headed lion on the sands of Egypt. I pledge allegiance to 40 ounces, ballrooms and short blouses. Stare in the mirror, now watch me get aroused quick. Low as the mountain, high as the ground is. My mind is on some upside down shit. Iris is showing me how powerful the mind is. Your highness is sharing pictures with a talking lioness. Beside us, please, is a frying freeze in a planet like ours where the liars lead us. You can hear the night crying to be dusk. Fuss, grab a knife, fuck life. The sluts pray, go deeper than none say. Front route to the streets, gunplay. Who is to say one is and one's not? The rock lives, the Glock gives, just one shot, pop. Now you're alive, free from all the lies. Who knew our dreams would be the afterlife? Grab the rifle, shooting at stars is so delightful. Ripping our hearts, no one likes it like I do. I do whatever it takes to get the title of one. Wool jacket in the sun, son. You know the devil only when you become one. Kush cloud, now all I need is rum fun. Hot stoves, grenades, and sunshades. My life is abstract, Picassos and potholes. Not knowing they so show through clothes. I overlap these cons, replacing them with pros, yeah.